This video is going to show you how to use a script to run the clear AMW all extension command in ASA. Now this is just an example of some commands that you can run in bulk, but this particular example is when you're trying to remove a ton of stations. This is a lot of times you'll run into a problem where the user has voicemail messages left on their mailbox, so it won't let you remove the station, so you have to go run the command clear AMW all and put in the extension number one by one. So this is a way that we've come up with to run just a quick script to do this all for you. So first thing we'll do as an example is we'll go in here through Getty, and we'll do a list station, and we'll say that this example is we need to remove stations 5001 through 5047, and let's say that they all have voicemail messages left, or certain ones do, but we just want to make sure so we can get rid of them. So after I run this command, I'm just going to export these to basically a text file. I'm just going to put it on my desktop, call it export. Okay, so it said it was successful. So I'm going to go open up Microsoft Excel. And I'm going to go open it. And I'm going to say all files, because this is going to be a text or CSV file. And we put it under our desktop. Or actually, it went to a different spot. Export, there it is. So I'm going to make sure this is delimited, and I'm going to do comma separated. So this is going to open up my spreadsheet with all my stations. Now I want to keep extension 5000, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete that one. And I'm going to scroll down here to the other extensions that I don't want to mess with. So all of these have a coverage path of 1. They all go to voicemail. So I need to remove extensions 5001 through 5047. So the only thing I'm really concerned about is the actual extension number. So I'm going to remove all these cells. And starting right here in B1, I'm going to put in a command equal concatenate. And I'm going to go ahead and write in the command clear AM alarm space and we're going to select this cell. So what this does is it gives me an actual command I need. Clear AMW alarm 5001. So I'm just going to drag this formula down. So I've got it for every extension, and I'm going to copy these and paste special, and I'm going to put in just the values. And I'm going to get rid of these two columns. So now I have the actual command. Instead of having to issue these one by one, this will do it for me. 47 total. So what I'm going to do is copy all of these. Now that they're not formulas, they're actual text. I'm going to copy them, and now here I'm just going to pick a cell and do paste special, but this time I'm going to click transpose so it puts it all in one horizontal cell. So you can see everything's pasted into here. Now I'm going to right click and do copy. Now I'm going to open up Notepad. And then I'm just going to do Control V to paste. And this pastes in every command that I just did. Now I'm just going to save this file. I'll save this one to my desktop, and I'll call it my clear AMW all script. Now I'll save that. And I can close that, and I can close my spreadsheet. Now, back in ASA, I'm going to go ahead and close Getty or Jedi. And I'm going to go down here to Advanced, to Report. And now I'm going to open up the text file that I just created. Under my desktop, clear AMW. I'm going to do a Control A to select all, Control C to copy. And here I'm just going to do Control V to paste. So here I want to click select Export Fields to File radio button. And then I'm going to click OK. And you do need to have automatic login set up for this to run. So I'm going to click OK, and then we're going to watch our history tab, and you'll see that it's running that command super fast. So it just cleared all of the messages waiting on those extensions. So now I should be able to go back in and remove those stations without having that problem. And if I log back in real quick and do a list history, you can see all those commands that just ran, the clear AMW command for all those extensions. And again, this command or this script can be used to run multiple commands, like if you want to display station 5000 and you want to export of that extension with all 5 pages of it, you can run that for multiple stations, probably up to 1,000 at a time. I wouldn't recommend going more than 1,000, but you can do this for several different commands, but this is just one that I use that really helps me out and speeds things up.